Hey everybody, Dr. Doug here, and I wanted to give you kind of a behind the scenes view of what really happens when we're designing our braces treatment these days using our digital indirect bonding technique. And traditionally, braces are usually placed by hand. You've seen me do it for years if you've been a patient of ours, one by one. And one of the most important things with your treatment after we plan it properly is putting the braces on in a very exact position, which is customized for each patient. But those positions of the braces actually determine a lot of the final result of the tooth position for all our patients. Now we can use software to design this all on a computer screen without the cheeks and the lips and the saliva and everything getting in the way to be really more exact. And then a 3D printed tray is created with all the braces inside of it, and then our staff can simply place them on extremely fast and more accurate than if we did it by hand myself, because I've done all the work beforehand on the computer. So quicker and easier appointments for the patients to actually get their braces on, more efficient treatment with less adjustments, and hopefully a faster and more detailed result with less effort by all parties. So we look forward to using this more and more, but it's become commonplace in our practice.